Mag-meet kami ni Sam ng 4 p.m. and 3 o'clock na. And I think nasa mali akong istasyon. Everyone. So I just finished preparing for the concert later. I'm watching Paramore, and I think many of you guys requested that I do an apartment tour of the Airbnb that I booked here in Tokyo. So here you go. Hi guys, so right now we're outside the Airbnb. So here's what the street looks like. There are no people because it's a Wednesday, and I think most of the people here are in work. And right now I'm gonna show you what the outside of my apartment looks like. And this is where I drop the keys after I check out of the room. This is the address of the apartment. Another staircase. Here's my stuff, so every border has their own bathroom. For the kitchen, it looks like this. So the host is very nice because she lets us some stuff so that we can eat. And there's a big note here. Oh, here's another cute thing. The current guests are here, and my name is Maria. So Airbnb house rules. And then we have more snacks here we can eat. Yay! And here's the Wi-Fi password. And then you can also do what laundry here if you like washing your clothes. It's automatic, you don't need to put water here, you just need to put our clothes, some detergent, and then just click start. Amazing! And this is where we take a bath. So like the washroom, we also have bathrooms, just a major for every border. And here's the shower and the bathroom. What the room looks like. It's simple yet I like how clean and minimalist it looks like, except for the tape on the carpet, but I don't mind. And the good thing about this room is that we have lots of outlets where we can charge. But I had lots of gadgets at the moment, and I brought an extension with me just to be sure. And then there's a little library inside my room where there are lots of books. My host is a translator, so yeah, I think that's why there are lots of books. So there you have it. In case you observe my voice is a little low than normal, because they find it unethical if your voice is louder than normal, and it's kind of hard for me to adjust at first, but you know, makibagay tayo, so yeah, that's basically it. And then right now I'm just gonna grab my bag, and then I'm gonna go to the station and meet my friend Sam there. So I'm headed to the station right now, and I'm eating my second waffle from this morning. So, hindi pa ako sanay mag-raw vlog. I just bought water sa vending machine earlier. And, mukhang naliligaw na ako. Charot, wag naman. Kasi first time ko pala maglalakad dito from the station kanina kasi naligaw nga ako. And kailangan ako sunduin ng host ko para makapunta sa bahay niya. Halos magkasihawig lang yung itsura nitong Shinjuku line tsaka yung PNR except lang screen na nakikita mo yung oras ng train tsaka kung local or express train ba siya kasi yung mga express hindi siya bumababa sa mga stations. Excuse me. I think naman makakarating ako on time kasi mag-meet kami ni Sam ng 4 PM and 3 o'clock na. I think nasa mali akong istasyon.
A few moments later.
Nasa maling side ako. Oh my God. Nasa pagbayad na ako. So, paano to? Dumaan na yung train. Hassle naman. Ayan, success. Andyan ako kanina and then nakalipat ako through that escalator and then bumaba ako dito sa side na to. Yay! Konnichiwa! Nakita din kami ni Sam. So, yun nangyari. Parang pumasok lang siya sa Shinjuku Station kasi nasa loob na ako ng station. Ayan, tapos syempre nag-catch up muna kami kasi first time kami nag-meet nung sa all-time low.
Pareho kaming nasa
VIP. Thanks to Paul Proyo.
Pero siya na-meet niya ngayon sila, nakakainis.
Oh, nahag ko sila.
Wow, pati as it is, wow.
Ay nako, at least standing tayo ngayon sa Paramore.
Paramore.
So papunta na kami sa Zepp Tokyo. Kakababa lang namin ng Tokyo Teleport Station.
Yes.
So later,
nawawala
try ko mag-film. Medyo nawawala pa kami ngayon napapa-video lang.
Tama lang, dire-diretso daw tayo.
Yan.
ASUS number 1 power!
Meron palang mga ticket number dun sa ticket namin na yun din yung pagbabasehan ng mga papasok sa loob. So kami, yung number namin, ako 577 and
624.
So, mga baka gitna na kami. Kala ko pa naman makapag-team barricade tayo. Pero, at least standing.
VIP.
Oo.
May chance na sumingit.
Pwede ka na sa loob yung mga Yay, we're finally moving.
Hey.
Hi guys!
So freaking cold.
So cold! I think it's like 7 degrees now. Time check. I don't know the time. But we're still here outside. 6:20 and we're still freezing. It's still freezing cold.
I'm dying.
My concert buddy from Manila and from Indonesia. Hello.
Welcome.
Hi guys.
Hello. No, I just want to go to the toilet.
Okay, let's document what happened earlier.
Hello, this tea.
We're really
happening. We're like this close. So, after our numbers got called, we got our drinks after we paid 500 yen.
Yeah, we tried already.
And then we went all the way to the front since it's okay to go all the way in front.
Like there's no line.
Yeah, there's no line. And there's
Packed, but it's not really packed.
Yep.
That's right.
Look at the people.
So nice. And sucks to the second floor people.
Yep. Yeah. And the good thing about watching concerts in Japan is that you're required to pay 500 yen so that for the drink. so you don't get dehydrated. But we drank Monster.
Drink faster.
I drank beer.
I don't
I
know.
actually got beer.
You got beer.
Yeah,
How's
so-
the beer?
It's good.
It's good. What? Asahi? You don't know. Stop.
I don't know.
I don't know. But
don't know what
any
it is.
random beer.
Tastes like Filipino
God.
beer.
We're so close because there are lots of people in front of us. But yeah.
We're starting.
Yeah. 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes.
Less than 10 minutes. It's supposed to start in 3 minutes.
Okay. Let's see if they're following Japanese stuff.
Thank you very much! Well, shit!
Being on the passenger side, the best friend side, try to holler at me. I don't want no scrubs, you gotta can't get no love from me. Hanging on the passenger side, the best
Ganda ko na lang ako ng story mo mamaya.
Okay, cut on record.
I see you smiling. Can you smile a little bigger? I'm saying make it hurt. Smile so big that it hurts you. How are you here? It's gonna be a good show.
Indonesian friend and my Filipino friend.
Kamusta?
And then yeah, we had fun. He lost the drumstick.
I
He was
lost the
supposed to get one, and also a pick.
She
a
plays the
guitar
girl
pick.
card, damn
Yep.
it. The girl
Too
card.
bad, too bad. I was
And I
supposed
felt
to help you, but
She looks
yeah.
so innocent.
But yeah, still we had fun. It's a different experience.
the best.
Experiencing concert in winter is really
she
cool.
just-
Yeah.
She just recovered from her respiratory problems, but it was still the best show.
Yup. We
very
just grabbed the drink from Family Mart. So yeah, see you soon, guys. See you soon,
Yeah,
Dee.
bye-bye.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
we're leaving tomorrow.